Identifying rough diamonds at home can be exciting, especially if you found a stone that looks promising. While professional testing is always the most reliable option, there are several simple methods you can use to get a good initial idea. This guide walks you through practical, safe, and realistic ways to examine a potential rough diamond. Number one, understand the look of rough diamonds. Before testing, it's important to know what rough diamonds typically look like. Usually have a dull, greasy, or waxy luster, not shiny like polished gems. Often appear transparent to translucent. Common colors: clear, white, yellowish, brown. Natural shapes may look like irregular crystals or rounded pebbles. If your stone looks too shiny or perfectly smooth, it's likely not a raw diamond. Number two, the fog test. This is one of the easiest methods. Hold the stone close to your mouth, breathe on it like you would on a mirror. Result: a real diamond disperses heat quickly, fog disappears almost instantly. Fake stones stay foggy for a few seconds. Number three, the hardness scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. Try scratching glass or ceramic gently. Result: a real diamond should scratch glass easily. If it doesn't, it's probably not a diamond. Be careful. This test can damage surfaces and isn't always 100% reliable. Now 4. Check transparency. Place the stone over a piece of paper with text. If you can clearly read through it, not a diamond. Real rough diamonds usually distort or block the text. 5. Water test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. Result: real diamonds are dense, they sink quickly. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. 6. Look for natural imperfections. Use a magnifying glass or phone zoom. Real diamonds often have tiny inclusions or irregularities. Perfect clarity is rare in natural rough diamonds. Number 7. UV light test, optional. If you have UV light, many diamonds glow blue under UV light. No glow doesn't always mean fake, but it's a useful clue. 8. Heat resistance test, use caution. Diamonds resist high temperatures. Heat the stone briefly, then place it in cold water. Result: real diamonds usually don't crack. Fake stones may break. This method is risky. Use only if you're okay with damaging the stone. Important reality check. Home tests can help you screen stones, but they are not definitive. Many materials, like quartz or cubic zirconia, can pass some of these tests. For confirmation, always consult a professional jeweler, a gemologist, diamond testing tools, thermal conductivity testers. Final thoughts. Finding a real rough diamond is rare, but not impossible. By combining several of these methods instead of relying on just one, you increase your chances of making a correct judgment.